Blessed day viewers and subscribers. Alright, me ask you for a little bit of advice pertaining to the story. This lady called me yesterday. She said she have a problem which she want the public can assist her with. Alright, because you know that's how our platform is, to assist and help and bring awareness, etc. She said she married a man from Jamaica. Zane, our family come here, meet him, and he was a nice guy, and them introduced her to her, and they meet up, and you know, and trust me, she got through hell. And why she got through hell? She end up married the man. I never know say the man married. But when we make her listen and understand what she has said and listen how she get tricked, leave it in a comment, share this video, like it. Yeah, put some like on the video, man. Not too mean with the likes. Alright, we can listen.
Yeah, I know you say you're gonna call me back, so I'm sorry about that.
Oh, what's up? What
yes.
going?
Yes, so my concern is, I know my fiance for like 2 years, and after within the 2 years, we got engaged. He wants to get married, and I think everything was okay, and I said it's all right,
Yeah.
And when I come to Jamaica, he said he had everything set up. I still had to send the money for everything. So when I got there, the place didn't even look right. But I thought that's how they do things in Jamaica, and it's expensive. He said it was $3,000 just to do whatever it is they were doing, for the wedding. Anyway, when I got there.
So hold on there. Let me intervene, Lico. So this person or somebody where you date, or you just meet him online?
No, it's not that we meet online. It's someone. Well, we were actually introduced to a family member.
Right.
Right. Because of the business that he does, he was what you call those people? He was a person that do tour.
Tour guy. He was a tour guy.
So and my family and him met. Right. Years ago. They thought he's a nice person. They introduced us everything like that. So we used to always communicate and FaceTime and stuff like that. So anyway, I went down and I came back up to get to meet him and everything. I spent time. I think I'm dealing with somebody straight.
Right.
But I noticed as we continue, it's always money. But I thought he was doing that because he doesn't really have it.
Oh, so you help him out with it.
Found out. Yes. Then I found out everything's a lie. Everything he said to me from the boss he owned was a lie. He said his apartment that he was staying in was a lie. He used to want me to send $750 to pay for his rent every month.
$750 US? $750 US in rent every month?
Yes.
Or what kind of apartment that he live in? I
don't know.
I must in a sky and live. I must in a sky and live. Or that the rent is so expensive.
Yeah, it was $750.
So how long you use? So hold on. So how much for how long you give him the $750?
I did that for a good whole, I would say, a year and a half till we end up in a serious argument because
year and a half?
He claimed that he couldn't work because what happened, he had a hernia situation. He told me it was $2,700 for the operation because he had to go to a private doctor and all this kind of stuff. But I found out later on that they did offer that surgery for free. He might not know about it, but he might have got the money and didn't use the money for surgery.
Jesus.
But he was always pulling money,
Yeah.
Anyway, we was in a lot of arguments about him getting a job and working. And then one day he claimed to me he have a job. I don't know, this line is so mixed up. Anyway, make a long story short, I come to find out everything he was telling me is a lie. One day he made a mistake, tell me he was married. At this time now, I'm thinking everything is
Hold on there. Pause.
Yeah.
Take your time. Because people are listening. One day and call and tell us what? When call and tell us
Yeah, and tell me he was married before.
Oh, hold on. So he's a married man. Did I date you and I scam you your money then from foreign? And you never know.
Yes.
How old is this person? Don't call him name. How old is he?
46 years old.
46 years old. Wow, big man. And he married
Yes.
and that scam and make you feel like say, I just yarn him. Jesus.
Right.
Alright, go
But
on talk.
remember now at this time he married too, you know. So when I got upset and I asked for a divorce decree, he couldn't represent one to me.
No,
I
hold
had to
on.
get
You come
my
like
lawyer.
talk too fast at the story. Hold on. You and him get married.
Yes.
Oh, can you skip out the part that can you reach to divorce? So me
Yes,
never,
we get married.
Yeah.
With the right.
So
with
who
the
pay for him?
false
Who pay for
pretense
your
that he
wedding?
was
Who pay
never
for your
a
wedding?
married man.
Who pay for your wedding? You pay for
Right.
everything.
Right. With a false pretense that he told the pastor, he told everybody he was never married before.
Yeah.
So everybody believed him. So I don't know if it's God, but the man come with a story one day to tell me he was married. I say, you were married? He said, yes. I told you. I said, no. At this time, I'm doing paperwork. You can't play with the immigration. So when I called my immigration lawyer and I explained the situation, she was upset. He was upset because he claimed I should have never repeated the information he gave me. So she demanded a divorce decree from him, and he couldn't represent one. Come to find out, the vehicle that he was driving were not his own. It was someone else's vehicle, someone that's, and him was supposed to be in a partnership with a vehicle. He claimed the vehicle was his.
Wow.
And come to find out the vehicle. Tell me he stole vehicle, nothing goes so.
Oh God.
Tell me that he was never married before, nothing goes so. This man was married. Now I'm in a situation I don't know if he married or divorced. I mean divorced, I don't know nothing. I'm so in the middle of what the hell is going on.
You're in the middle of one spider web because legally you're married. See? So you can move on with your life if you even find somebody who want to get married now. Because you have to sign, he have to come to agreement to sign the divorce papers. That's what you want from him.
Right.
So there's no other route
So
where...
I already started my process, but then they're telling me that it may not be legal, but I need to know if it's legal because I don't know what's going on. This man is not on the right ship. He lied to everybody, everything. Yeah, go ahead.
So you check out if there is another more legal route where you can take, where you can just cut it off without even...
I try, but it's hard, you know, like I'm living in the United States, so it's hard when I'm trying to get in touch with with the districts down there, the business. They don't answer the phone.
All right, so why don't you come to Jamaica and spend a month and try to wrap up this paperwork?
Yeah, that's what I guess I'm gonna have to do that.
Jesus God, wow. Why would
And when you asked him, he couldn't represent anything.
Jesus.
It's very sad.
What a man skill. What kind of man them? Jesus God. How old are you, ma'am?
52.
52. You're young somebody, man, you're not old. You're young somebody said, yeah. Jesus God. So where am I saying now? What if him argument now? Why him not want to sign the paper? If him sign the paper, you're good, or him decide him not want to sign it?
No, but he doesn't. We don't even communicate because we had such a big argument over these things. And
when last I talked to him?
Yeah, he doesn't talk to me.
No, when was the last time? When was the last time you guys speak?
We stopped talking back in March.
In March?
Yes.
So from March you hear back from him?
Not a word.
Are you calling him number?
Yes.
No answer, nothing.
Nothing.
Jesus God. No sir. This even bigger than the lawyer. Eh? This bigger than all the lawyer them interacted. So,
it's very sad.
Yeah.
I would not like that to happen to nobody.
Yeah.
It's not a good thing.
It's not a good thing.
When you have people lying to you.
Oh God, me trust me. Me feel it. That is not nice. You better indeed take your money. I tell you my honest opinion. Better indeed take your things and when I give you and know say yeah. You get that out of you and you move on and you lose and you cut your losses and you move on, but you're free. But now you're in a one cobweb with this man. You understand?
Yes. Yes.
But me never know so a man can marry 2 times. That's shame. I never know so a man could have married 2 times.
But I don't understand how this system works down there, though.
In Jamaica, oh.
If the person that's doing the ceremony, he have to make sure he have to act for documentation.
Documentation,
he didn't do that.
No, sir. First me hear this. I say, oh, that happened. A man married 2 times. Only way a man married 2 times if his wife passed away and him have a death certificate for proof. You understand about that?
Yeah, the thing is, he never. If he had went and do it through the legal way, the proper way, maybe the pastor would have known there's something wrong because there's paperwork you have to fill out. They have to ask you about your information.
I hope him and the pastor now work together because you never can tell her now in other country. Go to give pastor 100,000 out of where you send him and tell the pastor say, yo, hold on upon that man. I just do a little thing. Right. That's what I think.
That's true, you don't know all that.
Yeah, you don't know.
The only way for me to know now, I have to find out through the legal system what's going on.
Oh boy. Jesus God.
Yeah.
Why me feel and I would want a woman do me that. Tie up my life so I can't get to free up myself. Yeah? You want to move on with your life now. If you even get a nice man who want you, you can't move on now. You have to just deal with him as a boyfriend. Can't legally married.
Right.
I think them have one thing out here named Gazette, you know. Like you can Gazette him. But I think, I don't remember how the Gazetting work. If anything happen to him, you know, response to him or something like so. I should think. How could I link? I forgot, I talk to you off here and see if I can make a link with somebody and ask them. But I think it's best if you come to Jamaica, where you can stay here and you can process the thing the right way. Because in a sense, the overseas, you have to just try to get a time. If I ever can do a 3 week or something and go through the process. Yeah.
And and you don't want nobody, you know, it's
sorry man.
Okay.
I know you must be hurt. I know you must be hurting. I'm sorry that reach you. You know?
Yeah.
Yeah. And you say your family them introduce a thing and act like a nice guy. Boy, that's how you see life.
Yeah.
Sometimes I know. Sometimes, why? I don't know if you say. Act so nice. I'm not saying maybe I'm not nice somebody, but that's not nice when you do. You see the part when you take your money and tell lie, I understand that. That are just some Jamaican man, licky style like, with woman. Then when they're lazy and find a foreign woman. Because then feel say money grow a tree over foreign. Then feel say when they walk on the road and you see one tree, I be money hang off on it so they can't get money. You understand? They don't understand the sacrifice and the work time on have to put through to make all the money.
Mm-hmm.
You understand? And you are date the man and in depend him, allegedly saying depend him hard times. You have all right to help him because you're a man. So yeah. Or you think he was your man, basically. Because he definitely did marry to somebody else. Wow. So he talk to you at night time, he used to talk to you at night time on the phone and stuff?
Say it again.
Oh yeah, you and him have conversation night, like going up to the marriage, before the marriage. You used to communicate nightly, call him anytime.
Yeah.
Oh, so that means saying they legally married, but he never delivered his wife then. Because once he did married and lived with his wife, he would answer his phone like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, he would answer his phone.
He wasn't living, I don't think they were living together.
Yeah man, at that.
Or whatever the circumstances may be, I don't know. Because
reasoning, I think, yeah man. Reasoning.
You can't do people, you cannot do, when it comes to business like that, you cannot be playing with people's hearts and you cannot be playing with people's time.
Real talk.
And lying, the life is terrible. For simple of things.
Simple of things, yeah. Jesus God. Well, I know, so right now, you there speaking, you would never date a Jamaican man again, don't?
Don't want to bother.
Huh?
Don't want to bother. It's not even it's not just Jamaican men. There are a lot of people out there doing so many evil things to other people, and we don't deserve that.
Okay.
You know,
Them have it's a Jamaica man, I number one pandemic.
you know that maybe this person. Sometimes you. It's not like you desperate or anything, but you meet somebody and you think that person really cares for you. They're looking for one thing.
True.
They're just trying to get money out of you. And then when the money done, what happened now?
When
they take and take so much from you, and then what? When the money run out now, everybody trying to find a different door to get out of. Because now they're not helping you.
Right.
They're not giving you anything.
True.
It's so wrong.
Oof.
You're not going to trust men, period. And you know, the sad thing is, it's not going just one way, you know, go both. Woman doing it, man doing it. And sometimes when you come to find out you're in a situation, people setting you up because the woman is in the situation also because of wanting money. So they let their husband go out there and do all kind of craziness. Or the man let the woman go out do all kind of craziness, taking money from other people and lying to them.
Somebody type in.
You find out in the middle of a swamp.
True.
You know?
Oh, I talk to you, I'm a callaloo nearly burn up to rotted. I cook and I talk to you now. I smell me as a rotted, my callaloo. Maria's product, a laugh of time, my callaloo nearly burn up. Alright, what am I going to do? I'm going to listen, I'm going to hear from different people, perspective or them opinion, and hear what them say, if anything. But I see somebody type in, lady, do not come to Jamaica and confront him. He might KILLU, knowing that he married to you illegally, can get your stuff then. Ah boy, I think he would have do that still.
Yeah.
Let's go on with the fake man and me contact you off here and see what is or what. I make 2 link and get back to you or whatever. Or put you on to somebody here.
Okay.
Alright, bless up yourself. Cool. Alright. Yeah. Whoa. Where's I put an ad in the paper? Very sad, yeah man. Alright. Cool. Alright, I can't hang up now. And wait, I can't hang up now, yeah?
Yeah.
Oops. Wanna hear that, guys? Ah boy, may I tell you. Every way is a new way. This is an outright scam now. A scam, this is a woman a right show now. May I tell you. Hey lady. I watch your comment and see what go on the night still. When I give her any legal advice, guys, what should you do? I think somebody called me last night and just write it in a comment, please. Big up on yourself and look out for cook and chat down in the evening. Peace, love. I'm out.